Hello guys, today, I will be, billy bouncing. We're gonna be playing some duos, I guess. So, let's just ready up. We're gonna be robbing the authority. It sounds weird, I know. But, that's all we're doing in this video. That's all we're doing. That is literally all we're doing. We're just robbing the authority. Okay, so we're already almost a minute into the video, which is very bad. And okay, so we're gonna be robbing the authority. Like a boom. Okay. You're OG, huh? Well, check out what I can do. Yeah. Did not do that. Yeah. Okay, you said sub. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, so let's thank the bus driver. And today we're robbing. Today we're going to be robbing the authority. And that's all we're going to be doing. And also, tomorrow's video, I'm planning to do Piggy, but 1 through 3 chapters because they have an update with the new cutscenes. But I've been playing a lot of Fortnite off cam. Last time I was playing, I was like level 17, and I've been playing a little bit. Dude, why am I lagging? Okay, so I take drum gunning. Hey, 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 hey. A big. I don't want to drink this and then find a mini. Okay, nice. Okay. Not now.
You okay?
Not now. So, I got a water bottle next to me, so I'm gonna be able to survive. I don't know where Jules is. No. I don't even know if it's recording the screen. This is... Oh, no. If... Okay. Let's shook him down. Where's Jules at? Bank is open, bank is open. I mean, we did rob the authority. That was the main goal of the video. I mean, at least we did that. So let's ready up. Let's rob Kit. Let's rob Kit. If we can. Let's rob Kit. Where's Kit at? Dude, ready up, please. I swear. I'm about to rob the authority by myself. Dude, I wanna play. What's the point of the video? Okay. Ready up. This is my name. This is my main dance. Okay, I'm gonna be robbing the authority by myself, I guess. Ugh. Okay. Nah. Yay. Okay, let's see. What's happening? Okay, I'm gonna leave the match and I'm gonna end the recording, dude. Okay, I'm gonna end